Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a quick and easy apple tart that is very delicious. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. For the batter you will need the following: 60 ml milk, 200 grams of sugar, 1 cup of self-raising flour, 3 large eggs, 40 ml of butter, 2 ml of baking powder and 2 medium-sized apples. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and prepare a 400 by 400 baking tray. Cream your sugar and butter together. Add the eggs one by one. Sift the dry ingredients together. Add a pinch of salt. Add half of the milk and dry ingredients and mix. Add the rest of the milk and dry ingredients. Peel and slice the apples and add it into the batter. You can also use 385 grams of canned apples. The slices needs to be approximately 5 millimeters thick. Today I'm going to be using 2 fresh golden delicious apples. If you want to use fresh apples, you can use any kind you like. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes. For the sauce you will need the following: 200 grams of sugar, 5 ml of vanilla extract and 1 can of evaporated milk. Mix all the ingredients together over a medium heat until the sugar has dissolved. 5 minutes before the pie is done, prepare the sauce. Pour the hot sauce over the hot baked tart. Serve with whipped cream or ice cream. Thanks for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.